Tired of that harsh, unwanted flash ruining your photos? Let's learn how to tame your Nikon D5600's built-in flash and achieve more natural, beautiful lighting. First, we'll navigate to the camera's shooting menu. Press the menu button, which is typically located on the back of your camera. Once in the menu, use the multi-selector dial to scroll down to the shooting menu bank. It's usually represented by a camera icon. Within the shooting menu, we're looking for flash control. Scroll down until you see it, and press the OK button in the center of the multi-selector. Now, you'll see several options. The one we're interested in for disabling the built-in flash is built-in flash settings. Select this option and press OK. Here, you'll find different flash modes. To completely disable the flash, scroll down to flash off and press OK. You'll now see a flash icon with a slash through it on your camera's LCD screen, indicating that the built-in flash is disabled. Your camera will no longer fire the pop-up flash automatically. Alternatively, if you're using a scene mode like portrait, landscape, or the intelligent auto mode, you might find flash control integrated directly in these modes. You can often press the I button, which opens the quick I menu. In the I menu, look for the flash icon, select it, and you'll see options including flash off. Choose that to temporarily disable the flash for that specific shot, or until you change the mode. By deactivating the built-in flash, you'll encourage your camera to utilize available natural light, leading to softer shadows and a more authentic look to your portraits and general photography. Experiment with turning off the flash in different lighting conditions to discover the beautiful, natural results you can achieve with your Nikon D5600.